Good morning, traders. How are you today? I hope you had a very nice weekend. We're the 2nd of June. Let's start our little market update. We have some noise coming from Trump, from Iran. It has been the case the past weeks. No surprise with this. The dollar, the VIX, and oil all woke up yesterday. It was a Monday. Mondays can be a bit weird, so we had also the indices that went up. Bitcoin hit its golden zone, and it went below 71k, so this is not good news for Bitcoin. It would be very, very bearish if we broke $69,000. You know what I think? I think we're going to 50k, 44k for a bottom, maybe 39k for this bottom. It wouldn't be a surprise on my side. Gold bounced off the golden zone on the daily time frame, and Nvidia, Micron, TSMC, Microsoft were all surging yesterday, and the semiconductors have been the fuel of this market, the engine of this market, and this is why the Nasdaq has been mooning and going above the upper resistance line here of this rising wedge. This is really spectacular, and the stock of the year could be Micron, could be Dell, could be Intel. It's really impressive. So semiconductors are popping up inside the top 10 of the capitalizations in Wall Street. Of course, we have Nvidia, TSMC, Broadcom, but we also have Micron, which is at the 12th rank. It's impressive, and they're pushing, and they're going up in this ranking. We have the Fear and Greed Index, which is in the greed box, and this sentiment indicator, the CNN Fear and Greed Index, is a bit correcting, just a tiny bit, while the market is doing all-time highs. It's impressive. It's really impressive. And what's even more impressive is that the market is pricing rate hikes starting in January 2027, and this is also a big surprise. The market is exuberant, very resilient, and at some point it's going to correct, but so far so good. We're going up into extensions, including in the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq, we're going to analyze it today, and we're going to zoom inside this structure. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. This is what we have here. I'm going to hide the lines. So we could be having a little wedge here also, and you can see it clearly. I'm going to draw it. So the pressure is accumulating here. Maybe we're going to moon and break to the upside, but usually when you have a rising wedge, you break to the downside. And I have some setups to suggest you today. We're going to zoom in a bit more. We're going to go on the 2-hour time frame. And there's maybe this opportunity that is going to come to us in the Nasdaq. We could have a measured move here, maybe, with maybe some negative narratives from the Middle East that could trigger a correction. So maybe we're going to come here in this green box. And if this is the case, we could be supported by this upper channel, the lower line of this upper channel. We could go back down here and visit 29.6k in the Nasdaq, or 29.38k in points in the Nasdaq. There's also an alternative, a bullish one, and this is also a strong possibility. We could also have a measured move on a lower time frame, because this is fractal, and we could reach maybe 30k in the Nasdaq. Maybe we could reach this green box here. So at 30,187 points, or 30,076 points. Maybe this is going to come to us this afternoon. In this case, we would reach the median line of this rising channel, which was already hit in the past, which suggests that it could work again. But we could also have this one, this channel, the same kind of channel. It's really fractal. It's the same process that I showed you just before. And in this case, we will have a double confluence, a double geometric confluence with Fibonacci. So this is maybe going to happen this afternoon, maybe not. Maybe we're going to be rejected at the open, reach the golden zone at 30,077 points, and then move up, go to the target at 30,873 points. This would be a very nice setup. It would be even awesome if we had a hidden bullish divergence here. This would be really awesome. So this is a setup that I'm suggesting this morning. This is obviously not counseling advice, investment advice, but I'm just a man that is showing you some confidence here in those green boxes. So opportunities could come in the Nasdaq to catch the wagon and to buy the dip. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please like it and share it and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.